So welcome back to another episode of Amateur Chefins. Today we're making Jerk Chicken Alfredo pasta, and we're just going to jump straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is season our chicken, and as you can see we have some chicken breasts. I cut them in strips so they are much easier to manage, but later when we're adding them to the pasta we're going to chop it up a bit smaller. Alright, so as I said, we're going to just season our chicken. So I'm going to add a little salt, some all-purpose seasoning, some onion powder, some garlic powder, of course jerk powder seasoning, pepper flakes, black pepper, of course our main ingredient would be our jerk seasoning. So I'm going to add about 2 spoons of this. A bit of fish and meat sauce. Just a little. And now we're just going to mix that all together. And now that's done, we're just going to let it sit for 1 to 4 hours, and then we get into making our pasta. Okay, so it's been an hour and we're now going to prepare our chicken. And what you want to do is just add a bit of oil to your pan. So it's been 2 minutes, our oil is ready. So we're just going to bring it down to a medium heat and add our chicken. Now our chicken is in. What we're going to do is just going to keep it at a medium heat for about 10 minutes on each side. And that's about it. So our chicken is basically ready, and you can see we have the perfect color. And now we're just going to take them out. And now we'll just be adding our onion, jalapeno, and our bell peppers. And still at the medium heat, we're just going to basically saute our seasoning. For about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. And now we are ready to add our heavy cream. So you want to add at least 2 cups. We'll also add a bit of milk as well. Now just stir. Let's get all those flavors in. Now we increase this to a high heat and just let it sit for about 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes. I went ahead and transferred the sauce to a deeper pot. And now we're just going to be adding penne pasta, or cooked penne pasta, to the mix. So now we're just going to be adding our jerk chicken as well. And of course, our Italian cheese. And now we'll just stir that all in. You can already see the effects of our cheese. So just a bit of black pepper, a bit of cayenne pepper, of course some parsley. Just mixing it all over again. Finally, we're going to top it off with some Italian seasoning. Just sprinkle over it, as well as some Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese, and just sprinkle all over it. Our jerk chicken penne pasta, or jerk chicken Alfredo pasta, is ready to serve.